Mysterious killings in Garissa County. And specifically, we know that over the last 3 months, 16 bodies have been retrieved from the Tana River and are yet to be identified. Families of persons who've disappeared as far back as 2014 today trooped to the Garissa Referral Hospital Mortuary with the hopes of identifying the bodies of their loved ones. But none of the families were lucky because nearly all the bodies have decomposed. Medics as well as human rights groups now want DNA tests conducted and thorough investigations carried out in order to ascertain the identity of the victims.
Ahmed Farah's family came to the Garissa Referral Hospital Mortuary to identify the body of their brother. Their brother has been missing since 2014. Farah's daughter came here together with her uncle after the Garissa security personnel urged locals to come and identify 11 bodies that have been retrieved from the Tana River. Inside the morgue, Farah's family joined other locals who had also come for the same exercise. The mutilated bodies have been refrigerated here for several weeks after being retrieved by divers from the Tana River. But none of the relatives could identify their loved ones.
Tumekuja hapa leo asubuhi kutafuta ndugu yangu Ahmed Farah. Tumikosa 2014.
The morgue in Garissa is completely full, and 5 other bodies have been transferred to Nairobi today.
Tumeangalia, tumepata wetu hawako. Sasa tumeomba serikali, watu wetu ni wengi sana kutoka Kisii wanakaa hapa Garissa, wengine msituni hapa mahali watu waliwawa. Tumeomba serikali itusaidie kutafuta hao watu wote. Tunaendelea na usuni hatujachua hao watu wetu mahali wako.
Members of a human rights organization who have been in Garissa for the exercise say the most alarming thing is the state in which the bodies were found. Most of them had been tied by ropes and rocks in an apparent move to completely submerge them.
It is clear the bodies were immersed into water after killing, because none of the bodies shows signs of bloating, which is a sign of bodies in water or drowning.
The human rights group has also intimated that investigations must be done before the bodies can be disposed.
No disposal of the bodies would be done without the proper procedure, which is having postmortems done, what we call medical investigations, and if possible, samples for DNA collected.
Kuna vijana wetu wawili ambaye tulipoteza the past 3 years, 2018 tarehe 12 mwezi wa 4 na paka wa leo hatujawapata.
For the relatives, this also means more psychological torture, as they will have to wait longer before the identification can be done. Still, more Kenyans who could have lost their loved ones and have not seen their remains have been urged to visit the Garissa morgue in order to help in the identification exercise. Nimrod Tabu, Citizen TV.